Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. I am your custom brand accessory champion down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Today we're going to be going over what's new. Starting off, we have the all new custom lineup. We have the Level 2, we have the XR4, we have the XR6, we have the XR8, and we have the Mustang 670R. Today we're going to be looking at the Level 2s. The Level 2s come with a 33-inch tire. We went with this beautiful fuel rim just to really make it, give it that really good look. As we come down the side here, again, you'll see we've got that 2-inch leveling kit on this one. We went with the Skyjump leveling kit. We find it sits really well. We put the beautiful Level 2 decal on the back here. And then to tie it off, we went with the American Thunder dual tipped exhaust with the MBRT black tips on there as well. Also new for 2018, you are going to be able to come in and purchase this fully equipped F-150, already done with the Level 2 kit. You can pick any truck on our lot and customize that truck with the Level 2 accessories for $69.49. Or the truck you're currently driving, bring it on in. We'll put the Level 2 kit on there for $69.49 for you as well. Come on down to Donnelly Ford Lincoln and check these guys out. I'm going to start this guy up because it sounds amazing. Give you guys a little sneak peek. You really have to hear it in person, but check this one out and see what you think.